Hello everyone, and welcome to today's review. And in this review, I'm going to review all my different variants of Lightning McQueen. So first off, here's a Cars 1 variant. We also got in Rusty's 95, and the name, and the contingency sponsor: Nitro A, Revolting, Mood Springs, Octane Gain, No Steel Vitamin, Gasprin, Gaskets, Easy Idle, Rotary Pistons, RPM, Elite Class, Retread, and Clutch Aid. Obviously, Lightning Bolt, here, Rusty's 95, Rusty's on the wing. Then, obviously, the yellow rookie stripe, obviously meant to signify that he's a rookie. It's, the same thing with, Jackson Storm, because he also has, yellow rookie stripes. But, yeah, obviously medicated bump ointment, Rusty's 95. Now moving on to, the silver one, which is obviously the same as the one I just did, only the main colour silver. Now we move on to the World Grand Prix variant, Cars 2, Hudson Hornet Piston Cup, 95. For some reason, it doesn't have the bolt that most of the others do. And, yeah, it has a WGP 95, also the American flag in it, because, yeah, he's American. Then, obviously, fire, this time, obviously, yeah, there's fire in here. Thought it was a lightning bolt before, but, I don't know, pretty sure it's a little bit of both. Obviously, silver rims, red outline. All in all, World Grand Prix on the wing. Then World Grand Prix, powered by All in All, which is the fuel they use. 95, America, and flag. Now we move on to Cars 3. So it's a bigger, slightly bigger Rusty than this one. As you can tell, this one's slightly smaller. Same thing on 95 as well. And this time, he actually had the bolt, unlike the World Grand Prix version. Ooh, now that's contingency sponsors, because they're Octane Gain, RPM, Revolting, and Clutch Aid. And similar to Cars 1, only, slightly different, less contingency sponsors, you name it. And, he doesn't have the other rookie stripe because, he's been, well, at the time of Cars 3, he'd been racing for like 10 years, so, yeah, he doesn't have the yellow rookie stripe, obviously like Storm does. And, now we move on to a fabulous Lightning McQueen, obviously based off of a fabulous Hudson Hornet. Obviously fabulous Lightning McQueen. Rusty's 495, which I'm pretty sure Doc didn't have. So 95, obviously like Doc's 51. Oh, down on the back, see, there's Rusty's Hornet, which is obviously what Doc Hudson was. And 4 Doc Hudson, because obviously it's commemorating Doc Hudson. Now we move on to this one, where it's supposed to go in water, and obviously roll it back, goes forward in the water, and obviously made it go in the water, but didn't play it, but didn't use it in the water much. Obviously based on the World Grand Prix version, and he's cool. And here are some more for comparison. So the King, Nigel Gearsley. Here we go. Very nice. Now we have the Road Trip McQueen from Cars on the Road. And very simplistic and minimalistic. Obviously, radio springs on the road. We have Willie's Butte, No 95 on the roof, but just 95 on each side, of course. Obviously a gas cap or whatever the term is, and really just brake lights 95 on the back. Now last, but certainly not least, it's this drag racer one. Was the XRS, and then when you like roll it, the pistons, and you up and down, the XRS, obviously X Green Racing Series, see 95 on the roof. Then contingency sponsors, Octane Gain, Clutch Aid, RPM. Then on the other side, it's RPM, Octane Gain, Revolting. Then obviously he's made to look like a drag car, because since this is a, part of the drag racing series, obviously, I mean, look at him, look at how insane he looks. Wow. Here are the others for, comparison. Jackson Storm, Rick Yardley, Tim Treadless, Spiky Phillips. I think Spiky has to be my favourite. I mean, look at him, look, see how, well, don't think you can see it that well, but look, he's, his paint's all glittery. Yeah. And, that's the end of the video. Goodbye.